Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Friday, May the 20th. Volatility was back for most of the day yesterday anyways. We had the VIX above 17 for the first time in a couple of months. Stocks did recover off some extreme lows, new one-month lows there, down about 0.25% across the board. S&P lost 3 points in the futures, but was a healthy 20-some points off the lows. The Dow futures down 15, the Nasdaq futures down 65. On the weekly basis, we've got the S&P down 7 points, so we'll see what happens here today. The dollar remained above 95, gaining 23 points, 95.30, pushing that euro currency down some more, 112.08. The low of the session was 111.87. The bond market saw a boost with that increased volatility of some flight fear buying. 164 was the close, up 1 full point, pushing rates down after this temporary boost we've seen with this Fed talk. Crude oil, we're now trading July contract, 48.70, down 10 cents was the close. $1.50 was the range yesterday between the high and low, so a bit of a consolidation day. But the mover on the session was gold, down 1.5%. 12.55, new 3-week lows down $20, but $10 off the lows at 12.45. So after that action yesterday and that boost in volatility, where these markets stand here on Friday, option expiration, equity option expiration for May. Well, right now we're up a little bit in the stock index futures, about 0.25% higher, getting back yesterday's losses. 2043 up 4 in the S&P, up 40 in the Dow futures, and up 14 in the Nasdaq. The news today driving the markets, well, we've got Yahoo down 5% after being up 10% in 2016, looking to sell their business. The bids are coming in a little bit lighter than expected, according to some sources, only being able to sell YHOO for $2 to $3 billion. Other stock markets are firmer, and looking at the dollar index, we're steady right now, still above 95, the euro currency around the 112 level. Treasuries right now are giving back half of their gains from yesterday as you're seeing some unwind with firmness in stocks. We've got a bit of a boost in crude oil right now. 49.30 is the high of the session. Right now, we're at around the 48.60 level, pretty unchanged. And gold, lastly, up $3, 12.58. So to wrap up this current action with half hour to go before the cash stock market open, a little bit of a bounce back after those new relative lows in stocks yesterday, up 4 in the S&P, up 40 in the Dow, and up 14 in the Nasdaq 100. I will see you early Monday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.